In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix the problem where your OBS software is stopping recording. So as you can see, I've got OBS open, right? And let's just say that I'm recording my screen or whatever I'm doing. The most common problem that you will encounter when you are recording and OBS is stopping recording on its own without you knowing is if we go over to settings, you will then get this pop-up menu, and then you want to come down to the left hand side bar here, scroll down to hotkeys. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have got 0 hotkeys inside the stopping recording option. Now, as you can see, my hotkeys are set to 4. So every time I click 4, OBS will stop recording. So what you want to do is essentially you want to click on the trash can icon. That will then remove that from that stopping recording option. So once this is blank and you are typing, and let's just say in my case I click on 4, it will no longer stop recording on OBS. So this is the biggest problem that I see people having, and this is the biggest problem that you may be encountering. So make sure you've got nothing in the stopping recording hotkeys section.